Hello everyone, in this demo I'm going to show you how to use pwd command and cd command. The pwd command is used to print the name of the current working directory. For example, I'm going to type pwd, hit enter. As you can see here, pwd prints the name of the current working directory. So the current working directory, we are /home/student. Okay, now let's move on to the next command, the cd command. The cd command is used to change the current working directory. For example, I'm going to type cd, and I already created the directory. It's called directory1, and I hit enter. So cd space, then the name of the directory, hit enter, and I'm going to type pwd to print the name of the current working directory. As we can see here, we moved on from the previous directory, the working directory, to the new working directory. So we are right now in directory 1. If I would like to change the current directory and go back to the home directory of this current user, I'm going to type only just cd, then I hit enter. Type pwd just to make sure that we went back to the previous directory. So what is this directory? It's /home/student. And what is the previous one? So this one is the current one. The previous one we were on /home/student/directory1. If I would like to move on 2 steps, not just only to the next directory, the directory after, so I'm going to type cd, the name of the cd, then space, then the name of the directory, directory1, then the name of the next directory, directory2, then I hit enter, and pwd, and hit enter. As you can see here, we moved on 2 steps to directory 2. Now, if I would like to change or switch back to the directory that we were working before, also to print the current working directory, I type the command cd, then space, dash, then I hit enter. You can see here, this command prints the working directory that we were working before, and also prints the current working directory. Now let's move on to change to the, okay, let's type pwd now, just to make sure we are here in this working directory. Now if I hit cd, then dot, it's not going to change anything, it's going just to change the working directory to the current working directory. Now if I would like to go back to the and move on next to like 2 more steps, so directory1 and directory2, so cd space directory1/directory2, then I hit enter, pwd, perfect. So we'll move down 2 more steps. Now if I would like to change the directory and go back to the home directory of the current user, there is another command cd, then delta space delta, and then I hit enter, pwd. You can see over here that we went back to the home directory of the current user. Let's move on to the, if I want to move on to the next directory, cd directory1, I hit enter. Now if I would like to change the directory and go back 1 more step to the previous directory, I can type the command cd, then dot. I hit enter, pwd. You can see over here we went back to the home directory of the current user. If I want to go back right now, I want to move on right now to the directory 1 and directory 2 also, so 2 more steps, then I hit enter. Then what I'm gonna do right now, I would like to change and go back 1 more step to the previous directory also, so I can do cd, then dot, then slash, and hit enter. pwd, you can see here we went back one more step to the previous directory. Now if I would like to move on, let's move on to the next one, directory 2, pwd. You can see here this is the working directory right now. We moved on to directory 2. Now if I would like to go back from directory 2 to this 2 more steps, if I would like to go back 2 more steps from the current directory here to the home directory of the user here, to this one, there is another command. We can type cd then dot slash dot slash. It means that 2 more steps back. Then I hit enter. pwd, and I hit enter. Okay, you can see over here we went back to the we went back 2 more steps from the current working directory to the home directory of this current user. If we would like to get more information about these 2 commands, we can just type man, then pwd, man space pwd, then we hit enter. So then we can find more information about this command. So we hit Q to go back to the Q to quit, to go back to the main page. So now we type also man cd space cd, I hit enter, and I hit enter. So you can see here more information about cd. And Q to go back. That's it for this session. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.